Kuganira ori Enganzihanga Robina Nabanja agambire ori Minister w'eshonga zaheru omwihanga lya Belarus ngu Uganda ine ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebyeriyo nekora na munonga kutungura omutindo gw'ebyobuhingi okugira ngo habase kweyongera aha bintu ebiri kuhingwa omwihanga lya Uganda. Nabanja nagira ngo hariho ekiri kwetengesa na munonga kureba ngo bagira ikorero elyaza tractor otireho na n'omwanya ogwo kukora orwezo rw'omwitaka ng'ekintu kimwe ekirayambeho aha kutaha emirimo ey'abantu ba Uganda.
Uganda is gifted by nature. We are gifted in a sense that most of our land is arable land and fertile land. We, of course, after using it for quite some long time, it loses that fertility. I can request that you look at an opportunity of organizing a fertilizer factory within the country.
Nabanja asimire nkoragana eri hagati ya Uganda na Belarus kandi ko kubasima abo kugira ngo bakaruga kwetaba omunterane eziherukire kuba omu Uganda.
We appreciate the collaboration we have between the two sister countries.
Ari kugamba aharukikoru ori Minister w'eshonga zaheru omuri Belarus ahamize Enganzihanga ya Uganda ngo betekatekire okwija mu ihanga lya Uganda bakabasa kuyambaho aha kutungura omutindo gw'ebyobuhingi.
There is a very strong message from our President, from our Minister of Foreign Affairs and from our Prime Minister that we are ready to explore all opportunities that we have at our hands between Belarus and Uganda.
Ori Enganzihanga Robina Nabanja agarukire yagambira aba Belarus okwijo mu ihanga lya Uganda okugira ngo babase kuhamya omukago oguri hagati ey'amahanga abiri.